This report presents an overview of the market landscape from 2025 to 2032. The market is experiencing a range of changes influenced by evolving technologies, consumer preferences, and business models. Market is expected to witness consistent growth throughout the forecast period. Factors such as increasing demand, expanding applications, and technological advancement. Several elements are driving the market forward, including innovation, evolving customer needs, and a growing focus on efficiency and performance. Despite the positive outlook, the market faces certain limitations. These may include regulatory challenges, high operational costs, etc. The market is categorized into various segments based on key criteria such as types, application, or end users. Market performance varies across regions due to differences in infrastructure, regulatory environments, and economic conditions. The industry is evolving through a series of innovations aimed at enhancing quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction.